Well, it looks like another chance of strong to severe thunderstorms across the area. A little bit less than yesterday, though. That's the good news. Overall severe weather alley, you can see the yellow. That's going to be the greatest chance of any severe thunderstorms. We're in what's called a ring of fire pattern right now, where ridge builds northward. You have little disturbances right over the top of it. It's a summertime pattern, like the Johnny Cash song, I fell into a burning ring of fire. Also, Social Distortion did a pretty good remake of that in the 90s. Anyway, best chances across the north decreasing as you go south. Large hail, a little bit less of a chance than yesterday, I think, out of these, just because the atmosphere is going to be a little drier, especially from the Bighorn Basin on to the west. Best chance of large hail will be in Johnson County, where you still have dew points that are a little bit higher, so you can introduce more moisture into the atmosphere. Very chance of damaging wind, though, with that drier atmosphere. Again, best threat across the north, but even down in places like Riverton and Casper, you get a little shower that pops up. Could see a strong wind gust out of that. I want to tell you a little tale about that, called the attack of the little green blobs. Now, usually when you see a thunderstorm pop up, a strong wind will have reds in it, also some whites, even some purples, and the most intense ones with the big hail cores. These little green things that pop up, they don't look like anything. Maybe underneath one, there might not even be any rain, but you will see some virga falling out of the sky. You just see those shafts that don't reach the ground. And sometimes when that happens, they'll put down some really strong winds. It drops out of the cloud, it accelerates, and then it spreads out when it hits the ground. And the winds can get very strong out of these in a very dry atmosphere. We had one in Casper on Tuesday night around the airport, and there was a wind gust of 71 miles per hour. And they're very, very hard to warn on, because sometimes they do it and sometimes they don't. So if you see one of those drying up rain shafts when you come down to the ground, you may want to look out for a strong wind gust, possible across Fremont and Natrona counties, including around Riverton, Lander, and I think especially Casper later this afternoon. So the overall severe weather risk, large hail, low to medium risk today, best chance of that in Johnson County. Damaging wind probably the greatest threat today, including areas that just get showers. And we can't rule out a tornado, especially across Johnson County, but that looks to be the least of the threats. So summarizing, strong to severe thunderstorms possible across northern Wyoming. Time you'd expect, usually about 4 to 8 o'clock, the most active. Areas most at risk in the northern Bighorn Basin as well as Johnson County, including Buffalo, Grayville. You can probably throw Lovell and KC into that mix as well. We could see stronger storms anywhere north of the Owl Creek Mountains. Damaging winds, the main threat. Also could be large hail again. Best chance further east you go. And an isolated tornado can't be ruled out, especially from a line, say, Lovell, Buffalo down to Sussex, down to the north and east. But again, that's going to be the small threat. And even isolated showers with strong wind gusts are possible in portions of Fremont and Natrona County this afternoon. And there's our resources for weather, as well as hydrological information, storm prediction center, you want more detailed stuff on severe weather, and our webcams by route. Have a good day, everybody.